This video walks you through setting up screening questions for your job opening. Take a look at the work authorization option in the predefined questions list. Click the plus icon beside work authorization to expand it and see what it contains. Open up the overtime section the same way by clicking its plus icon. Expand the commute section to preview its details. Give the willingness to relocate section a look by expanding it as well. Let us go to the next step, which is configuring custom question types, where you will choose the answer format that best fits the information you want from candidates. Scroll down to the custom question area and pick freeform text if you want candidates to type an open-ended response. Try the multiple choice option next, which is handy when you want to give candidates a fixed set of answers. Notice how the form below refreshes to let you set up those choices. Switch over to yes/no for questions with a simple binary answer. The form now limits responses to just yes and no, and you can mark which one is the correct answer. Pick File Upload if you need candidates to attach a document, like a portfolio or certificate. The form adjusts to accept file submissions from applicants. Choose the date option when the answer should be a specific day, such as an availability date. Tap the calendar icon to check out the date selector. A date picker pops up so candidates can select their date easily. Finally, try the number type for answers that need a numeric value, like years of experience. The form now includes range options so you can define acceptable minimum and maximum values. That covers each of the answer formats available for a custom question. Let us go to the next step, which is setting the deal breaker option, which lets you automatically filter out candidates whose answers do not match your requirements. Scroll back up and click the plus icon next to the question that you desire. Inside the expanded section, tick the deal breaker question checkbox to flag it as critical. A confirmation modal appears reminding you that wrong answers will automatically disqualify candidates, so click OK to acknowledge and continue. The deal breaker setting is now in place for that question. Hit the Save Question button to lock in your configuration. The work authorization question is saved and moves out of the top list, meaning it is ready to screen your applicants. And that's your screening question saved with the deal breaker set. You now know how to create screening questions from start to finish. Give it a try on your next job post and see how it works for you.